hand sanitizer dispenser to our hand sanitizer stand. So first you want to take your 4 plastic mollies and you want to insert them through the top plate. What you want to do is take it, find it in the matching hole, and just tap it in. Then you want to take your 2 screws and put one here into that molly and one into this molly. Now what you're going to want to do is take some pliers, screw about 3/4 of the way in. You're going to take these plastic mollies and put them in. You may need a hammer, but otherwise you can just push them in. Now we're going to take our hand sanitizer dispenser and hang it on the top screws and mollies, and then take our other 2 screws and put them into the other molly. And there you have it, your nice secured hand sanitizer dispenser to your hand sanitizer stand. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at www.marlinwire.com, or you can call me, Jordan, at 410-644-7456. Thanks!